Hi everyone, this is Alec from AJay Farms, and I'm here with Jay today. And today, we are finally going to be harvesting our carrots. They have been in the ground since, well, the container since November, and they are much bigger than the ones we tried to grow outside. So I'll actually let Jay do the honors since he likes carrots much more than I do. And we're going to start with this one right here.
Let's see. I'll move all these. There we go.
And when you're harvesting carrots, you want to grab them as close to the base as possible and pull them out.
Oh, wow.
Ooh.
Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness.
Wow.
That's a pretty solid carrot.
Honestly, they're not going to look huge to a lot of people, but...
This is an accomplishment for it being in a container.
Yeah, these are the biggest ones I've ever grown. I tried to grow carrots last year. It was an utter failure. But it's also, they are in containers, so they will be smaller.
And let's do this one next for a comparison.
Yeah, this one's definitely going to be smaller.
This is the normal size carrot that we usually get.
Those were about the size of the carrots we got last year.
Yeah.
So
They still tasted good. Let's do, is this one still a carrot?
Yep.
Okay.
All of them should be. I did have to prune the foliage back because they were looking a little
There
rowdy.
we go. See, there's little.
Oh, there's another little one.
Tiny carrot. Let's get this one.
And we're saving the biggest one for last.
Oh wow! Here's another.
Oh wow.
Little
Oh,
it almost
it's a little
looks like
stumpy.
looks like a radish almost. Little radishy carrot.
It's a little
And
stumpy, but
this
it's still
one?
pretty good.
Or this one is another one too, right?
Yep.
Oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
And that's why I want to grab them down. They are a little deep, some of them, so you got to grab it as close to the base as possible.
I got it. Ah. There we go.
Oh, wow. That's a good sized one.
And this one?
Yep. Ooh.
Oh, nice. There we go.
Nope.
And now for the, well, there's this one. Let me get this one out real quick.
Oh, that's a good sized one, too.
Yeah, they're all little.
Considering, it's also, they were very close together. It's a little globe shaped, sort of, like a weird oval.
All right, ready
And the best for last.
the big one?
Let's hopefully it's the biggest one, because it's got the biggest foliage. It sounds big. Whoa.
Wow. This is our prize-winning carrot.
They don't look huge. Actually, that does look pretty big in person. They don't look like the biggest carrots.
They're about normal width-wise, but length-wise, because that's in a pot.
It's a very short container, so they're not going to get to be their full length. These are Danvers half long, so they do get to be about 6 inches or so. Let's get a nice close-up on that.
2.5, 2 inches.
Yeah. So, I'm going to put it down next to these.
Here, let's do this.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go.
So 8 carrots in total. I did have a lot more planted, but as I was trying to prune some of them, I accidentally harvested them, so we got some small ones. But yeah, this is very impressive for us, and we're hoping this year, now that I have a little bit better idea of how to grow these, we will get some bigger ones. So we will be back in a few minutes with a nice taste test after we wash them up. Hi everyone, we're back, and we're here with Jay for a taste test of our carrot. So go ahead and let us know how it is.
Very crunchy. Definitely tastes like a carrot. Very fresh. I have onion dip. I thought it would be funny to try some with that, if at all.
Good?
Mm-hmm. I would offer you some, but you don't like them.
Yeah, I would do a taste test, but I'm not a huge fan of carrots myself. I just grew them for fun and for Jay.
I'll eat it. Thank you.
So those are the 2017-18 winter carrot harvest. So I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.